But if the law goes into effect, the Board of Medicine will hammer out the rules. Our Roger Riley was at today's meeting on the matter. He joins us now live from the State House.
Yeah, Aaron, today was an open meeting for board members and the public to weigh in on a law which would stop an abortion if a fetal heartbeat is found. Now, for some, there was not comfort with the language written into the rules.
Just the verbiage of, woman versus female, embryo or fetus versus unborn child. So if the board likes different language, is that something that we decide upon?
That language is drawn directly from the statute, is the reason for its inclusion here.
Now, there was a representative of the Attorney General's office was answering board questions. Basically, the law states that a woman could get an abortion only in cases of rape or incest or if there's a fetal abnormality. Much concern was raised about young rape victims or people not able to speak for themselves. Some oppose the idea of a physician as an enforcer of the law.
At the end of the day, we oppose these rules. We think that they are poorly written. Our understanding from the Attorney General, they are written with a political agenda in mind. And
David expressed in Psalm 139, and I'll be short, very quick. In verse 13 of Psalm 139, it says, "For it was you who created my inward parts. You knit me together in my mother's womb."
Terminology such as heartbeat law as opposed to 6-week ban, and unborn child as opposed to fetus or embryo, instead of words like pregnancy, are words used to evoke emotion.
Now, the Iowa Board of Medicine voted unanimously to pass what's called a notice of intended action. What that means is they're passing it on through basically as it is unanimously to the public. Now, they can make comments on it, and Aaron, that will come back for the board's January meeting where they will take action on it at that time.
Okay, we'll follow up then. Thank you, Roger.